time I see this stuff. See if the tape will let me. There we go. Packing paper. More packing paper. Even more packing paper. Look, some more packing paper.
And finally,
okay, there's my truss rod.
yay!
Sitting here. We may need to check if this is the right length. It looks a little short. I may have dirt. Anyways, let's see if I can't open this tube. This is my binding. Very pretty blue wood binding. Ooh, it comes pre-sanded. I like that. It comes pretty smooth. Look at that. Now ain't that pretty?
No.
It's the same color as your hair. It's bloodwood.
Okay. What's it for?
Binding. I ordered 4 of it because I'm going big guitar. Probably need lots of binding. And again, here's that truss rod. Big double action 2-way. Now, this, I have no idea. Let's see
Something.
what this is.
Dun dun dun.
This is all of my glue. Lots of glue. Let's see if there's anything under this. Nope.
There's packing paper.
Lots of glue.
Nope.
Best friend in a guitar build? Glue.
But tape was.
Now it's glue. Okay. And now for the big thing. Big block of mahogany.
Knit it up.
Ooh. Top is smooth. Big block of mahogany.
Yay.
Gonna need to sand that. But yes. Block of mahogany. And let's see if there's my order form. Oh look, my fretboard.
Yay.
It's my pretty fretboard.
Here's
Yes, it
thunder.
is supposed to be straight. It's a beautiful fretboard, actually. Look at that. Isn't that pretty?
Kind of. Oh, yeah, actually, yeah.
Ebony is not uniformly black. So yeah, that street is supposed to be.
Oh.
And let's see what else. Packing paper. It's way down at the bottom that I can't quite reach. Come on. Okay, let's see what this stuff is. It's light.
And it's only packing paper.
Come on. Oh, that's great. They glued it shut. Yeah, I'll just open it this way.
If the tape lets you.
Well, if I had known I was going to have to fight the packaging.
You would have gotten the sharper knife.
And this is...
Sanding paper?
It's a bag with something in it. I don't know. And this is... Stuart McDonald screwdriver. It's a catalog.
Just say that.
See if there's anything in this stapled shut bag. My truss rod cover might not. My screws for said truss rod cover. First I thought that was an empty bag. And my side dot material. Now, this is going basically like that, all up down the front, all up the front board, but on the other side.
What are you doing, Thunder?
And I'm guessing my fret wire is in there. So I'm gonna put this down again. That's fragile. And going to actually get out the whole contents of this thing. Again.
Again, it's.
I know I ordered fret wire. Right here it. There you are. Little devil.
Dang.
My 16 feet of it. I ordered more than I should have. You're supposed to order 3, but I ordered 4 because, well, I might screw up. So I ordered more than I was supposed to. And it looks to be in very good condition. Not bent. That's a good thing.
Very.
Well, that was a great, nice surprise, and Box Cat strikes again.
And this is our cat, Thunder.
Thunder the Box Cat strikes again.
You also choose on